Hello everyone, today I will show you how to move image with the finger. So this we take a video from the webcam, and we add fingertip to the array, and we can add to calculate the distance. And the distance we will calculate the distance from finger 1 to finger 2, and after we calculate, check if the distance is smaller than 30, it have that it's a torch. And this we need to check the torch is in the area image or not. If it in the area image, we have to check that it's already torch or not. This flash is to prevent the image moving with the hand. If we don't check this, image not moving with the hand with the finger. This is we update by the image location with the finger. So we add this location to the capture image. So I will show you the result after this code. Yes, now you see my finger, and I touch the image, and it's not jump like that before. If we touch the exact location for the image. Yes, thank you. If you like my video, please have to subscribe and like the video.